Hey guys, here we are again at M&A Tires. We're going to be putting on the splitter as well as, let's get back here with the car seats, the diffuser. We can go ahead and open these up and show you what they look like, but really excited for this. All right, so first up, we're gonna go ahead and put on the front splitter. Looking like before. And start drilling in just a second. It's James.
You see this fan right behind you? Yeah. It was moving somehow. Moving? No, moving. Go ahead. No. Keep the turn. Yes, go. Now turn the other way. It won't hit if you done it right on.
Front splitter's in. I'm really happy with the way that it looks. Looking really good. Really, really nice. Diffuser's gonna have to wait for another day. Hopefully I can get that done sometime this week. If not, the following. This guy's sick. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. The guy's Instagram, Marky Bang. He does a whole lot of carbon fiber for the Q50 Q60 platform. Yeah, check him out. Pulled off the splitter. All we had on it initially were some screws. Go ahead and grab one so I can show you what it's looking like. These guys here. But we're gonna add some bolts, washers, nuts, and some 3M tape. I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like once we're done. Done and done. It actually sits even cleaner now, a tighter fit. I saw on one side, whenever we first installed it, it was off by about 1/4 of an inch. Now it's sitting flush on both sides, and because of that, there's no gap in between the lip and the splitter. So it looks a lot better. Now it has bolts in it. It's not going anywhere. I'm really happy with how this came out. This is by far one of my favorite mods that we've done so far.